Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is laser cutting engraving Colorado. Now, if you're in the laser cutting engraving business anywhere in Colorado, this is the Google Maps. I can rank you in the top three here on the Google Maps. Now, I also wanted to show you, I didn't see any pay-per-click there, but if you go over to videos here and you click videos, you'll notice this is a landing page, which is charges you on pay-per-click. And if you notice, if you scroll down, every one of them here, except one, I guess it might not even be one. Nope, there isn't even one person. Every one of these is a landing page on this site. Now, if you want to rank a video on YouTube and you want to rank your website, you need social media to do it. Let me show you a little about myself and some of what I've done. If you go to Video Business Marketing Expert, you'll see this is the front page of Google, 333 million searches. My record for being on the front page is I have a client that I have with over 1 billion searches. But if you go to Video Business Marketing Expert, you'll see I rank there too. So if you want to get on the front page for laser cutting and engraving in Colorado, you can give me a call. Thank you. Bye.